Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the story of Dash Coin, one of the original giants of the crypto world. Once a top 10 cryptocurrency, Dash made waves with its fast, low-fee, and privacy-focused payments. But after years of wild price swings and regulatory crackdowns, many are asking, does Dash still have a future? Can it reclaim its former glory by 2030? In this video, we'll explore Dash's origins, what makes it unique, its current market performance, and where it might be headed next. Let's get started and see if Dash can rise again. Let's kick things off with a quick history lesson. Dash was launched in 2014 by developer Evan Duffield, originally as a fork of Bitcoin called Darkcoin. The project later rebranded to Dash, which stands for Digital Cash. The main goal? To improve on Bitcoin by offering instant transactions and enhanced privacy features. Over the years, Dash became known for two standout innovations: Instant Send, which enables near-instant payments, and Private Send, which lets users mix transactions for greater privacy. By 2017, Dash was trading at over $1,600 during the bull run, a massive leap from just a few dollars. Dash's rise was powered by two core features. First, Instant Send allowed users to send payments that settled in seconds, making Dash one of the fastest cryptos for transactions. Second, Private Send gave users the ability to mix their coins, boosting privacy and making it harder to trace transactions. These features set Dash apart from Bitcoin and many other early cryptocurrencies. The combination of speed and privacy attracted a loyal community and helped Dash climb the ranks during the 2017 bull market. These innovations are still central to Dash's identity today. By the end of 2017, Dash had become one of the most valuable cryptocurrencies in the world. Its price soared to over $1,600, fueled by excitement around its unique features and the broader crypto bull market. This was a time when many early adopters saw huge returns, and Dash was frequently mentioned alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum as a top digital asset. However, the market soon cooled, and Dash, like many other coins, faced a long period of volatility and price corrections. Still, its 2017 peak remains a highlight in Dash's history. Even in 2025, Dash stands out as one of the few cryptocurrencies actually used for real-world payments. Its network is powered by masternodes, which handle governance and transaction validation. This makes Dash faster and more decentralized than many traditional blockchains. Dash is especially popular in Latin America, where inflation and unstable currencies have driven people to seek alternatives like crypto payment. With transaction fees often less than a cent and settlement times measured in seconds, Dash remains a practical choice for daily transactions. Key part of Dash's technology is its masternode network. Masternodes are special servers that help validate transactions and manage governance. They play a big role in keeping the network fast and secure. Unlike traditional blockchains where miners do most of the work, Dash splits responsibilities between miners and masternodes. This hybrid approach allows for features like Instant Send and Private Send, while also giving the community a say in how the network evolves. Masternodes are a big reason why Dash is still considered one of the more advanced payment coins. Dash's real-world use is most visible in Latin America. In countries where inflation is high and local currencies are unstable, people have turned to Dash for everyday payments. Businesses accept Dash for goods and services, and users appreciate the low fees and quick settlement times. This adoption has helped Dash maintain relevance even as other coins have faded. The focus on practical payments rather than just speculation gives Dash a unique position in the crypto landscape. One of Dash's biggest selling points is its low transaction fees. Sending Dash usually costs less than a cent, making it ideal for small everyday purchases. Transactions also settle in seconds, which is a huge advantage over slower blockchains. These features have kept Dash relevant for people who need fast, affordable payments. In a world where speed and cost matter, Dash continues to deliver on its original promise of being true digital cash. Despite its strengths, Dash has faced challenges due to its privacy features. Governments and regulators have cracked down on privacy coins, leading many exchanges to delist them. This has affected Dash's liquidity and made it harder for some users to buy or sell. Competition from other privacy-focused coins like Monero and Zcash has also slowed Dash's growth. Still, Dash's community remains committed to its vision of fast, private payment. As of 2025, Dash trades around $30 to $35, with a circulating supply of about 11.7 million Dash. That gives it a market cap near $400 million, far below its all-time high but still significant. Dash's development is managed by the Dash DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization funded by block rewards. While newer blockchains are chasing trends like DeFi and AI, Dash has stayed focused on its core mission, payment. This consistency has helped Dash maintain a loyal community, even during tough market cycles. Dash DAO is a unique feature that sets Dash apart from many other cryptocurrencies. It allows the community to propose and vote on projects, with funding coming directly from block rewards. This decentralized approach means that anyone with a stake in Dash can help shape its future. The DAO has funded everything from marketing campaigns to software upgrades, keeping the ecosystem active and responsive. It's a model that many newer projects have tried to emulate. While the crypto world has shifted toward DeFi, NFTs, and AI, Dash has stayed true to its roots as a payment coin. This focus has helped Dash maintain a clear identity even as trends come and go. For users who want fast, cheap, and reliable transactions, Dash remains a top choice. Its long history and proven technology give it credibility in a crowded market. Dash has a limited supply of 18.9 million coins, which helps support its value over time. The project has also survived every major bear market since its launch, proving its resilience. This track record is one reason why long-term investors still see potential in Dash. Its clear use case, limited supply, and decade-long history make it a standout among older cryptocurrencies. Despite its strengths, Dash faces several risks. Regulatory bans on privacy features could limit its adoption or even force exchanges to delist it. There's also the risk of falling adoption as users migrate to stablecoins or newer Layer 2 payment systems. Finally, Dash's pace of innovation has slowed compared to projects like Solana Pay or the Lightning Network. These challenges mean that Dash's future is far from guaranteed. Dash's future depends on two big factors: real-world adoption and regulatory clarity. If more people and businesses start using crypto for fast, borderless payments, Dash could benefit as a proven, battle-tested network. On the other hand, if regulators crack down on privacy coins, Dash could lose access to major exchanges and see its user base shrink. The balance between these forces will shape Dash's path forward. Let's take a look at Dash's technical and price outlook for the next 5 years. Currently, Dash is trading around $30, showing signs of accumulation after a long downtrend. Analysts see three main scenarios: bullish, base case, and bearish. Each depends on adoption rates and regulatory outcomes. Let's break down what each scenario could mean for Dash's price by 2030. The bullish scenario: Dash sees high adoption and a strong market recovery. Prices could reach $50.80 in 2025, $100.150 in 2026, $250 $300 in 2028, and potentially $400 or more by 2030. This would mean a 10x to 12x return from current levels. For this to happen, Dash would need to reclaim its position as a top payment network and see widespread use for real-world transactions. Base case scenario assumes steady adoption and gradual growth. In this outlook, Dash could reach $45 in 2025, $70 in 2026, $150 in 2028, and $200 $250 by 2030. That's still a solid 6-8x gain over 5 years if global crypto payments keep expanding. This scenario depends on Dash maintaining its relevance and continuing to serve as a reliable payment network. The bearish scenario: Dash faces low demand and increased regulatory pressure. Prices could fall to $25 in 2025, $20 in 2026, and just $10.15 by 2028-2030. This outcome would likely happen if privacy regulations tighten and Dash loses access to major exchanges. It's a reminder that the risks are real, and future performance depends heavily on how Dash navigates these challenges. You believe in Dash's long-term utility as digital cash. A dollar-cost averaging DCA strategy could make sense. This means buying small amounts over time rather than trying to time the market. Dash's long history, solid fundamentals, and limited supply make it an interesting candidate for this approach. However, it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose, as older coins like Dash often need strong narratives or new tech upgrades to outperform newer projects. With its proven track record and clear use case, Dash could see major upside in the next bull market. If global crypto adoption accelerates and Dash continues to innovate, prices could return to previous highs or even surpass them. The key will be staying relevant as new technologies and competitors emerge. For long-term holders, patience and a focus on fundamentals are essential. While Dash has many strengths, it's important to remember the risks. Regulatory changes, falling adoption, and competition from newer projects could all impact Dash's future. Investors should stay informed and be prepared for volatility. Only invest what you can afford to lose and consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk. Sum up: Dash is no longer the hottest new coin, but it remains one of the oldest, most tested, and truest forms of digital money in the crypto world. Its focus on fast, cheap, and private payments has kept it relevant for over a decade. Whether Dash can make a comeback by 2030 depends on adoption, regulation, and continued development. The story isn't over yet. Global crypto adoption keeps expanding, especially for real payments. Dash could quietly make a comeback by 2030. Its proven technology and loyal community give it a solid foundation. The next few years will be crucial as Dash navigates regulatory challenges and works to attract new users. The potential for a return to $200 $400 is there if the right conditions come together. Looking ahead, my long-term target for Dash is between $200 and $400 if the project continues to develop and adoption grows. This range reflects the potential upside if Dash can overcome its current challenges and reclaim its place as a leading payment network. Of course, this is not guaranteed, and investors should always do their own research. Dash has earned its place in crypto history as one of the earliest and most innovative digital currencies. Its focus on payments, privacy, and community governance set it apart from many other projects. While it may not be in the spotlight today, Dash's legacy continues to influence the broader crypto ecosystem. Next chapter for Dash will be shaped by how well it adapts to new challenges. Continued development, community engagement, and strategic partnerships will be key. If Dash can innovate and stay relevant, it could see renewed interest from both users and investors. The crypto world moves fast, and Dash's ability to evolve will determine its future. Dash faces stiff competition from newer payment solutions like Solana Pay and the Lightning Network. These projects offer fast, low-cost transactions and are gaining traction in the crypto space. To stay competitive, Dash will need to keep improving its technology and user experience. The race for payment dominance is heating up, and Dash must keep pace. One of Dash's greatest assets is its strong, dedicated community. Over the years, Dash supporters have funded development, promoted adoption, and kept the project alive through tough times. This grassroots energy is a big reason why Dash is still around today. Community-driven projects often have more staying power even when the market gets rough. Dash's decentralized governance model gives every stakeholder a voice. Through the DAO, users can propose and vote on new projects, upgrades, and funding initiatives. This approach has helped Dash stay agile and responsive to community needs. Decentralized governance is becoming more common in crypto, but Dash was one of the first to implement it at scale. At its core, Dash was designed to be digital cash, a fast, cheap, and private way to pay for goods and services. This clear use case has helped Dash stand out from coins that lack a real-world purpose. As more people look for alternatives to traditional money, Dash's original vision remains relevant. Dash has weathered every major crypto bear market since its launch. This resilience is a testament to its strong fundamentals and committed community. While many projects have come and gone, Dash has continued to develop and adapt. Its ability to survive tough times is a key reason why some investors still believe in its long-term potential. With a maximum supply of 18.9 million coins, Dash is designed to be scarce. This limited supply can help support its value over time, especially if demand increases. Scarcity is a common feature among successful cryptocurrencies, and Dash's supply cap is one of its key strengths. Dash Private Send feature allows users to mix their coins, making transactions harder to trace. This focus on privacy has attracted users who value anonymity, but it has also drawn regulatory scrutiny. Balancing privacy with compliance will be a major challenge for Dash moving forward. Dash Instant Send feature enables payments to settle in seconds. This speed is a big advantage over many other cryptocurrencies, especially for everyday transactions. Fast settlement times make Dash practical for both merchants and consumers, supporting its use as digital cash. Dash is used in countries around the world, but its strongest adoption is in regions with unstable currencies and high inflation. By providing a reliable alternative to local money, Dash has helped people protect their savings and make everyday purchases. This global reach is a key part of Dash's ongoing relevance. The Dash DAO has funded a wide range of ecosystem projects, from merchant adoption programs to wallet upgrades and educational campaigns. These initiatives help grow the Dash network and keep the community engaged. Ongoing investment in the ecosystem is crucial for long-term success. Dash competes with a range of other cryptocurrencies including Monero, Zcash, Solana Pay, and the Lightning Network. Each offers unique features, but Dash's focus on payments and privacy gives it a distinct niche. Staying ahead will require ongoing innovation and strong community support. Regulation is a double-edged sword for Dash. Clear rules could help legitimize the project and attract new users, but harsh restrictions on privacy features could limit its growth. Dash's future will depend on how well it can balance compliance with its core values of privacy and decentralization. Dash's development team continues to work on upgrades and new features. The roadmap includes improvements to privacy, speed, and user experience. Staying competitive will require ongoing investment in technology and a willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. Merchant adoption is a key driver of Dash's real-world use. The more businesses that accept Dash, the more valuable it becomes as a payment method. The Dash community has worked hard to onboard merchants, especially in regions where traditional banking is unreliable. A smooth user experience is essential for mass adoption. Dash has invested in easy-to-use wallets, fast transactions, and reliable customer support. These efforts make it easier for new users to get started and for existing users to stick around. Education is a big part of Dash's strategy. The community runs workshops, creates online resources, and partners with local organizations to teach people about crypto and digital payments. These efforts help demystify Dash and encourage wider adoption. Looking to 2030 and beyond, Dash's future will be shaped by adoption, regulation, and innovation. If it can continue to deliver fast, affordable, and private payments, Dash could remain a key player in the digital cash space. The next decade will be crucial as the crypto landscape evolves. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into Dashcoin. Whether you're a longtime holder or just curious about its future, Dash's story is a fascinating example of crypto's evolution. If adoption grows and development continues, Dash could surprise everyone with a comeback by 2030. Stay tuned for more insights and predictions on the channel. See you in the next one.